How to make money on Amazon? Many of us know Amazon is a handy site where you can buy just about anything you need. But to some, it's so much more than that. It's an amazing opportunity to make money. Here's how. How to sell on Amazon? Looking to start selling on Amazon? It's super easy to get started, but there are a few key things to bear in mind before signing up. The main things to consider are which Amazon selling plan would be right for you and whether the seller fees would be worth it. Amazon selling plans. There are two selling plans to choose from at Amazon. Professional selling plan. If you're selling more than 35 products a month, you could consider this plan. It costs £25 a month excluding VAT plus additional fees, below. Individual selling plan. This one's generally better for people selling less than 35 products a month. You wouldn't need to pay a monthly subscription fee, but you would have to pay 75 pence per item sold excluding VAT plus additional fees, below. When choosing an Amazon selling plan, think about whether you'd sell a large enough quantity of products at a high enough price each month to go for the professional plan. If not, it might be better to stick with the basic plan. If you're unsure how many things you'll be selling each month, it might be better to start off on the individual plan. You could then consider upgrading to the professional one later on if you decide it would be worthwhile. But, if you do decide to go for the professional selling plan, it might be worth also thinking about trying Fulfillment by Amazon, FBA. There are added fees, but it would mean you could reach more customers, and packaging and delivery would be handled by Amazon. We go into this in a bit more detail later. Amazon selling fees. As mentioned above, there's a fee per item for the individual selling plan, 75 pence, and a fee per month for the professional plan, £25. And, on top of these, there are additional fees that apply to both plans. These are the additional seller fees to be aware of. Referral fee. This fee will vary depending on the type of product that's sold. It's calculated as a percentage of the total sales price, which includes the product price and added charges for delivery and gift wrapping. There's usually, but not always, a minimum referral fee of £0. 25 per item. Closing fee. There's a closing fee of 50 pence for most media items that are sold. This applies to items like music, DVDs, video games and software. Books have a closing fee of £1. Refund administration fee. If you need to refund a customer after receiving payment, you'll get your referral fee back, but a refund administration fee will be taken from it. The fee will either be £5 or 20% of your referral fee, whichever is less. High volume listing fee. This is unlikely to apply to you unless you're selling a lot. If you have over 2 million active stock keeping units, SKUs, there will be a fee of £0. 0003 per SKU. SKUs are the unique reference codes you give to each product you list. To find out more, including the specific referral fees for each type of product, have a look at Amazon's fee page. 11 best ways to earn money on Amazon. Apply for Amazon Launchpad. Start affiliate marketing. Sell crafts on Amazon Handmade. Sell old belongings on Amazon. Deliver Amazon parcels. Publish ebooks on Kindle. Sell designs via Merch by Amazon. Trade in devices for gift vouchers. Sell through Fulfillment by Amazon. Do freelance work for Amazon sellers.